What's up guys, today we are going to be unboxing the MacBook Air. Alright, so first thing, take it out of the box. Now we gotta take it out of this box. MacBook Air, there's the picture, logo, the back, bunch of information. Alright, let's open it. So first thing, I'm gonna take this thing off. Okay. We gotta take it off all around. There we go. Alright. Let's open up this box. First ever look. Holy crap. That looks insane. I've never had a MacBook before. So, this looks pretty cool. Okay. We'll bring it out of the box. You can take this thing off. Clear plastic. Okay. There it is. The actual MacBook itself, without any wrapping on it. There it is. And then in the box, we also have a charging cable. Just like manual something. And here's the charging brick. But it looks like there's something on this. They're like, okay. Oh crap. Yes, sir. This feels so new, because it is. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So let's open up the MacBook. Actually, it's this way. Gotta turn it around to open it. First ever open. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. That noise is insane. Okay, we got this thing on the screen. Is that insane or what? I'm telling you, man. Holy crap. This is crazy. We got a trackpad. We got keys. I mean, obviously we're gonna select English. Am I doing something wrong?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yeah, I got you. Bro, I'm using the trackpad. What the heck's going on? What is wrong?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
The return, oh. Of course, it's enter. There we go. Select your code. Okay. Jeez. Got a lot of
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Okay, accessibility features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. Blah blah. You can turn them on for setting up. Okay. Not now. Alright guys, that has been the MacBook Air unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this. See you guys in the next one. Peace.